That's right, folks. Paulie Detmers is making some breakfast. On today's menu, we got some shortened bacon strips, peppered bacon, of course. Not the cheap bar-ass stuff, but nice thick quality. You've seen these before. Today's omelet will consist of, I'm making omelets. Today's omelet will consist of, I'm making two omelets. It's going to be ham, green pepper, tomato, and some onion. I will saute all of this, except for maybe the ham. What the hell I'll do with ham. Excuse my table here, but I got 2 eggs per omelet. You don't really need any more, trust me. I don't need any more than that in eggs anyhow. Cholesterol. So, here on the Blackstone. I love the Blackstone. Great piece of cooking artillery. Some onion. Doesn't look like a whole lot of onion, but it's probably really slid down on the oil slick. Doesn't look like a lot of onion, but it should be sufficient. Got some green pepper. And we'll wait a minute to put the rest of them on there because they don't need to saute long. Ham doesn't saute, you just heat it up a little bit. I'm going to saute this stuff, then I'll put it back on this plate. This should be a very short video. And then we'll just throw this ham over here. Along with a little bit more green pepper. Take these onions off. I think that ham is heated up good enough. Folks, this is great. Now we're gonna get a little bit of the omelet action going on here. Don't need too much though. Get a little omelet action. Now the 2 eggs per omelet, and I got some garlic in there. On each of these. And we'll put on some ham. So my bacon looks like it's done. There's some onion. Steal some onion. Throw some green pepper down. green pepper, some tomato, some tomato. Now we're gonna roll them up. Yes! So I'm going to hereby declare the bacon all done. Yeah, those are great. I don't like overcooked bacon. And these omelets, I'm going to give them a little flip over. A nice big spatula does great. Heat it up. Just get it up in there. Omelets are done. Put one there and another there. Gotta add a little salt and pepper. And wife wants some too. She's got her omelet right now. Let's get a little dig into this. As they would say in the Philippines, masarap. Okay, till next time, I'm Paulie. Never trust skinny cook. See you next time.